This is the video series for VCF entry questions. Here the scenario is an administrator is preparing to deploy a new VMware Cloud Foundation 9 fleet in an environment without internet connectivity. So before initiating the bring up, using the VCF Installer appliance, the administrator must manually upload the required binaries for installing VCF. So which binaries must be uploaded to the VCF installer before we start the VCF 9 deployment? Okay, that is the scenario. So the solution for this scenario here is in a VMware Cloud Foundation 9 deployment where the environment does not have internet connectivity, all the required binaries must be manually uploaded to the VCF appliance before starting the bring up process, because the installer cannot download any components dynamically in an air-gapped setup. When I say air-gapped, without internet connectivity, that's what like mentioned as air-gapped environment. For VCF 9, the administrator must upload the NSX Unified Appliance OVA, which is required to deploy NSX manage and provide networking for the management domain. The operations appliance OVA must be uploaded because starting with VCF 9, VMware RE operations is a mandatory component of the platform and it is deployed as part of the management domain. Along with that, the operations cloud proxy OVA, VCF operations lifecycle manager appliance, and also we need to operate the operation stack in VCF 9, right? So these are all required. In addition, the VCF SDDC Manager appliance OVA must be uploaded because it is the core lifecycle and orchestration which is responsible for inventory, automation and upgrades. The ESXi offline bundle must be uploaded so that host can image during bring up without accessing the internet. Then the vCenter appliance ISO must also be uploaded to deploy vCenter server for the management domain. Finally, the VMware NSX descriptor or a plugin file must be available as it provides the metadata and compatibility information required by the installer during deployment. So overall, for a VCF 9 offline deployment, all 8 binaries covering NSX, operations, lifecycle management, ESXi and vCenter must be pre-staged on the VCF installer appliance before initiating the VCF 9 installation.